repeat back the question. So if I say, what is your name and your business name, you want to say, my name is, and my business name is, right? Okay, perfect. So what's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Maria Isabelle Limone, and my business is shared office space.
Perfect. Okay.
Are we recording?
Yes, we are recording. Would you like to do it again? Okay, absolutely. Okay, so I'll ask you one again. Okay. What is your name and the name of your business?
My name is Maria Isabelle Limon, and my business is Shared Office Space Hub here in Clearwater.
Perfect. Thank you. The next question I have for you is, what is a key takeaway that you've learned from tonight?
I love the presentation. Jesus was so thorough, and he got into so many specifics in regarding to email campaigns. Is information that I really, really wanted to hear and participate in.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Next question I have for you is, would you recommend others to come to our workshop?
Yes, I definitely want all the audience to come on over or join us to the YouTube channel. It is really valuable information that everybody needs. If you want to really bring your business to the next level, join AGM. They're the best.
Thank you very much. And just one last question. This is, just to make sure that we're doing our best for you. Did you feel welcome tonight? And how did you feel about when you came in?
I felt very, very welcome tonight, and I wish I could come more frequently. It's such a great thing to be part of this family. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. That's all. Appreciate it.